Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about our custom module journal sequence. So you can create a journal sequence according to your choice in any journal. So we will start from the configuration in the vendor bill. So we will start from configuring journal vendor bills. Here we have editor tab sequence. Here we can add sequence and refund sequence. This time I am creating a sequence. My type is standard and I'm adding prefix. Okay, so it's a V bill. It's a vendor bill and I'm adding a date. Okay, created date. So for that we will add percentage days after the percentage month to add month and percentage years and after that s. Okay, year and s. Okay, suffix is just a b and the sequence size will be 5, means it will be 0001 after my v bill end date. Okay, I'm adding the date range. Okay, so it's created my sequence. And after that I will create a refund sequence for the credit note, vendor credit note. Okay, that's a reverse, a standard type, and I'm adding prefix as RB and AS. Okay, suffix is just RB and I will add sequence 3 and step 1. Okay, step means if it's 1, then next number will be 2. It will be 002, 003, like this. Okay, now I will create a vendor bill. Okay, so I think there is a problem. Okay, it should be, it is case sensitive, so you need to add a small letter. Okay, so just add a product and confirm it, add a bill date, and here you can see the sequence number. Okay, just match the sequence number. It's a V bill and date. It's 9 May 2024. Okay, and my type is 500001 and my suffix was B. Okay. Okay, now I will create a credit note, vendor credit note. I'm just creating a, okay, and you can see the sequence number. It's RB years 2024 and my sequence was 3, so sequence size is 002 because sequence size was 3 and my suffix is RV. Okay, so now I will create for the journal customer invoices. Okay, so I have already created for the customer invoice. Okay, now I'll create a new invoice. Okay, the prefix, you can match the prefix suffix in side of sequence and steps. And step is just next step because is in first time it's 1, then next time it will be 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you will add 2, then it will be like a 2, 4, 6 add. You can also create journal sequence for other journals like inventory valuation, exchange difference, cash basis, bank, cash, okay, point of sale and all. So this is how you can create a journal sequence for different journals. If you are interested in purchasing, then buy link and other details are available in the description box. Okay, you can check there, and if you have any queries, any doubt, then you can contact us. You can message us or WhatsApp